Welcome back. Well, today we've got some great gifts for the home, and what's wonderful about these is they're all made from a natural substance. Donna, is that right?
That is absolutely correct, Greg. Today's gifts are all made from earwax.
Fantastic. Well, what's great, of course... earwax.
Yes, Greg. Now, earwax is, I'm just going to look at my notes here, a sticky substance made by the glands in the human ear. It cleans and protects the lining of the ear by trapping dirt and repelling water. Now, that's fascinating, isn't it, Greg?
Great stuff. Sorry, as in earwax as in... the earwax.
Oh, yes. Now, if you take a look at these lovely gifts, all available for you at home to purchase, then you can see...
Oh.
We have some lovely jewellery here, some earrings, and a delightful brooch. Now, I'm sorry, I've just dropped one, but this brooch here will go with anything. Look how lovely it goes with my cardi there.
It's right on there.
Oh, yes, it's right on. Now, did you know earwax is actually antibacterial?
Is it?
Yes, without it, your ears could get infected and sore. Not very nice.
Genuinely unpleasant. Genuinely horrible.
Yes. Now, I'm going to demonstrate here. We have some scented candles. Now, I'm not quite sure what the scent is. Greg, what would you say that smells of?
I mean, it's earwax, Donna, isn't it?
That would make sense, yes. So we've got those all available for you to purchase at home. Now, earwax actually helps you to hear by making sure that nothing gets stuck in your ear. Very clever.
This is great.
I'm sure you will
Wonderful.
agree.
Well, we do have a lot of other products. Can we get maybe a foot spa out here or something like that? I wonder where...
Earwax travels slowly out of the ear, taking with it any dust or dirt. And you know, it's very soft and versatile. And so...
Can we get rid of that?
You can make things like this.
Oh, no.
I made this for you, Greg, as a present.
That's me, isn't it?
It's you.
Donna, why did you do that?
A great likeness. Well, there you have the wonderful world of earwax. All of these gifts are available for you at home to purchase if you call the number on the bottom of the screen.
Do keep calling in,
Now, we're going to move on to a different natural substance
That's
now.
good news. Well, now what? Oh.
Snot earrings. Lovely.
Prepare yourself for an insane look at what they don't tell you in the science books. From inner space to the universe, we're on a case to face the worst. It's icky and it's whiffy and it's yucky and it's squishy, but we love it.